Evening, friends. Good afternoon, friends. Okay. Right, we'll start now. The last class I had given you format of subscription account. So how we have to do the subscription account? Let's see here. Okay. Right. So go for the first problem. आपको मैं पहले ही भेजा अभी एक पीडीएफ भेजा है एनपीओ के लिए मिल गया सबको एक पीडीएफ भेजा है एनपीओ के लिए सबको मिल गया हाँ ठीक है we will go for the problem फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम उसमें सब्सक्रिप्शन अकाउंट बनाने के लिए दिया है ठीक है इसका पहले आपको एक ये बताना चाहता हूँ बैलेंस शीट अप्रोच तो कौन सा साइड पे आपका एसेट आएगा कौन सा साइड पे एसेट आएगा बताइए बैलेंस शीट में एसेट कौन सा साइड है राइट हैंड साइड है या लेफ्ट हैंड साइड अच्छा टॉपिक भी नहीं मालूम है अच्छा राइट टुडे वी आर डूइंग नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फाइनल अकाउंट्स ऑफ नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अच्छा बैलेंस शीट के लिए क्रेडिट साइड नहीं है सर बैलेंस शीट इज अ स्टेटमेंट उसमें तो डेबिट से क्रेडिट साइड नहीं होता यस राइट साइड इज asset side and liability side is in the left hand side it is there opening balance go to opposite side goes to opposite side and goes to comes कौन सा अप्रोच है बैलेंस शीट अप्रोच है तो व्हाट डज इट मीन इसका मतलब क्या है इसका मतलब ये है सपोज हम कोई एसेट अकाउंट बना रहे हैं इफ यू मेक एनी एसेट अकाउंट they are making some asset accounts what it says opening balance always goes to opening balance always goes to opposite side and the closing balance comes in the same side. This is what is written. So where is the asset side? Asset side is so asset side, the opening balance will be there in the opposite side. Okay, and the closing balance will come in the same side. So this is the closing balance. So opening balance always goes to opposite side and closing balance comes in the same side. So when we write here to opening balance brought down, this is what we'll be writing, and here closing balance will be there. Closing balance carried down. Okay, all right. Similarly, in case of any liability accounts, कोई भी liability account, any liability accounts. So in the balance sheet approach, what we know, opening balance always comes in the opposite side. So liability का so this is the opposite side. So here the opening balance will come and closing balance will come in the same side. Okay. Asset side, opening balance will be there in the debit side, and in the liability side, opening balance will be there in the credit side. By balance brought down. Balance carried down. So this we have to understand. ये तो all the places we will be using it. No need to have any confusion. Opening balance comes in the opposite side. Okay. So what the purpose of this? What is the purpose of this? Now we will be making the accounts. When we make the accounts, everything has to go to the right side. In the means of correct place पे place करना है. तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. जस्ट आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहिए एसेट है या लाइबिलिटी है टू अकाउंट. ठीक है. एंड वन मोर थिंग, कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन ओपनिंग बैलेंस साइड पे एंट्री करेगा तो कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन इफ यू एंटर इन द ओपनिंग बैलेंस साइड दैट अकाउंट विल इंक्रीज. इफ यू एंटर इन द क्लोजिंग बैलेंस साइड द अकाउंट विल डिक्रीज. ओपनिंग बैलेंस साइड पे एंट्री करेगा तो वो अकाउंट बढ़ जाता है और क्लोजिंग बैलेंस साइड पे एंट्री करेगा तो वो अकाउंट डिक्रीज हो जाता है. राइट. सो दिस फंडा वी विल बी यूजिंग नाउ एंड लेट्स सी कैसे करना है करके. राइट. गो फॉर द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. Preparation of subscription. First one, prepare the subscription account. Page 1, question number 1. Question number 1. For subscription account, from the following. Subscription is income. Subscription आपको मिलेंगे वो तो income. The income is to be received. If you don't receive, outstanding income. Asset है या liability है? Outstanding income. Outstanding income बताइए or liability. Yes. Outstanding income क्या है? Asset या liability? Please tell me. Asset. Very good. And outstanding liabilities. Liability. advance income is a liability, or advance income is a liability. So with this, let us go for the problem now. Okay. First problem. We'll open the subscription account. Subscription account is the income account. If you have not received anything, and that is asset. If you have received in advance, that is liability. अगर आपको पहले ही मिल गया ये, वो तो liability हो जाता है. Income अभी तक नहीं मिला है, that becomes asset. Okay, let's go for the problem. Right. Yes, we have to make this for the year ending 31st March 2003. So opening date is, starting date is 1/4/2002 and the closing date is 31st March 2003. Okay. Subscription arrears. Subscription arrears में जो सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं मिला है उसको अरियर्स बोलता है. अभी तक नहीं मिला है उसको अरियर्स बोलता है. आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन आउटस्टैंडिंग. So this is the asset. Opening will go, opening balance always goes to opposite side. Asset balance will be coming here. So here this is outstanding, opening outstanding subscription, opening outstanding subscription brought down. How much is that? 500. Right. Subscription received in advance on 31st March 2002 for next year 2002-2003. So this is advance subscription by opening advance subscription brought down. कितना है? 1100, 1100. Right. Total subscription received 35,400 they have given. So bank account debit to subscription account, that is the entry. So by bank, how much is that? 35,400 they have received. Okay. Subscription outstanding for 2002-2003. So this is closing outstanding subscription. Closing balance asset accounts comes in the anything. Closing balance will come in the same side. It is asset, therefore it will come in the credit side by closing outstanding subscription carried down. How much is that? 400. Now see, they have given this 35,400 includes 400 for 2001, 2002, and for 2003, 2004, 300, and for the current year, sorry, 2001, 2002, okay, 2003, 2004, 2003, 2004, 300, sorry, 1200, 1200 for 2003, 2004. 1200, and for 2004, 2005, 300. बाकी सारे current year, which is the current year? Current year is 2002, 2000 is the current year. So this we have received advance, so it becomes a closing advance. So closing advance will be down. Subscription carried down becomes 1500. So the balance will be, and you see here they say subscription outstanding for 2002-2003. subscription outstanding for 2003. For the previous year 2001, 2002, opening balance. For the previous year 2001, 2002, the total outstanding was 500. How much we have received? They have given for the previous year, we have received only 400. Still outstanding 2001, 2002. Outstanding कितना है? Received 400. Still outstanding is 100. Okay, and for this is still outstanding for 2001, 2002. This much outstanding for 2002, 2003 is 400. This is given. Okay. Total outstanding as on 31st March 2003 will be 500. So this is 500 is outstanding. अभी total कर लीजिए. You will be getting income and expenditure account amount to be transferred to income and expenditure account. Balancing figure. This will be the balancing figure. How much is this? 1100 plus 35,400 plus 500. So credit side is 37,000 and 35,000 is. So this is the. It might be giving you थोड़ा सा problem हो सकता है. ठीक है. I'll repeat. Before I'll come back to this problem. Before that, let us take some थोड़ा सा हम practice करेंगे. Example में लेता. Then we can go for the book problem. लास्ट क्लास पे आपको भेजा था सब्सक्रिप्शन अकाउंट कैसे आएगा करके. दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द सब्सक्रिप्शन अकाउंट. अगर आपको समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा है कोई बात नहीं. I already told you that how the balances are to be taken. If with any account opening balance goes to opposite side, so asset account will have the debit balance opening and closing balance of asset account will be in the credit side. Similarly, liability accounts का opening balance होगा in the credit side and closing balance होगा in the debit side. ठीक है, right? That we'll use it, and first let us understand here. One 2020 31st December 2020. Outstanding subscription 3,000, 5,000. Advance subscription 1,000. Subscription, let's say during year 2020 or 2019 2,500 or 2020 25,700 or 2021 1,300. So total receipt is 29,500. Prepare subscription account. To find out subscription to be transferred to income and expenditure account. The profit and loss account, trading profit and loss account, there won't be any trading account because they don't trade. Only they are doing some charity work. Profit in the profit will be known as income and expenditure account. So it is simply profit and loss account. Whatever the income is there, that is to be credited. Whatever the expenses are there, that is to be debited. So here the problem they asked how much we have to transfer to income and expenditure account as subscription. तो इस साल का 2020 का जो भी है क्योंकि करंट ईयर 2020 है, so 2020 का how much subscription we have to transfer to P&L account, that is income and expenditure account. That is what we are going to find out. तो हम यहाँ account बनाएंगे, we'll make the account, right? So subscription account. Subscription is income. If income is outstanding, then that is asset. Income is outstanding, that is asset. So let us see here what they have given here. Starting pay to opening, outstanding, subscription, brought down. How much is that? 3,000 it is given. Okay. Similarly, by closing, outstanding subscription, carried down. So total it is given 5,000 rupees, right? By opening, advance subscription, brought down. How much is that? They given us 7,000. Closing advance subscription we have to find out from the given information. यहाँ आप देख लीजिए next line पे दिया है subscription received during the year 2,500 for previous year, 2020 इस साल के लिए 25,700 for the next year 1,300. So next year 2021 के लिए अभी 2020 में we have receipt. So it is subscription received in advance. So it is a liability. So to closing advance subscription carried down. How much is that? 1,300. It is given in the problem. And by bank or by receipts and payment account, you can write it. We have received for this year. So this will be income and expenditure or profit and loss account. How much we have to transfer, that we will be getting as the balancing figure. यहाँ balancing figure आपको मिल जाएगा. ये total इसमें 7,000 plus 29,500 plus 5,000. Total is 41,500. 41,500 minus 4,300 if you do, then 37,200 we get, and this is the amount to be transferred to P&L account, income and expenditure account. Here the P&L account is income and expenditure account. Okay, so amount to be transferred. Income and expenditure account. Is rupees 37,200. See here, problem pay, what they have given. No. total outstanding subscription on 31st December 2020 is rupees 5,000. Okay, this is total for this year as well as for the previous period. Complete period के लिए on 31st December 2020 this is outstanding. So इसका bifurcation क्या है करके हम देखेंगे इसमें. So outstanding for 2019, outstanding for 2020 क्या है करके देख लेंगे. So हमारा outstanding 2019 के लिए था कितना था 3,000 था. This was opening outstanding हमारे लिए. This amount was outstanding at the beginning of the period. So मतलब ये पिछले साल के लिए हमारा outstanding था 3,000. How much we have received out of this? We have received out of 4,000 only 2,500 we have received. This is the amount we have received for 2019. But how much was outstanding? Outstanding was 3,000. Outstanding was 3,000 and we have received 2,000. Outstanding कितना है? Still outstanding is, so this it was 3,000 minus 2,500. Still outstanding for 2019 is 500. The balance is for 2020. So total outstanding is 5,000. So for for 2019, 500. For 2020, the balance 4,500. Are you getting this? Everybody is getting this? Still outstanding 500 for. So out of this 5,000, 500 is for 2019. Baki 4,500 is for 2020. Okay, right. Let us see another problem. Okay. Outstanding subscription 3,000 rupees and 7,000 rupees. Advance subscription rupees 1,500 and this is the question mark. Okay, not audible. Am I not audible? सर नोट वाले एक बार दोबारा रिपीट कर दो. कौन सा नोट? हाँ ओके. प्रॉब्लम में दिया है 5,000. I'm इसको कौन था ये? राजेश अभी ऑडिबल है? ओके राइट. रंजन ना ऑडिबल. ठीक है. कौन पूछ रहा था इन नोट को? नोट राजन भाई प्रॉब्लम पे देख लो. यहाँ आपको दिया है प्रॉब्लम पे टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग 5,000 है. ठीक है. 5,000 एक जितना भी है इस साल का, पिछले साल का, पिछले साल का, मतलब 2020 का भी इसी में है, 2019 का भी इसी में है, 2018 का भी इसी में है. इतना आउटस्टैंडिंग है, 5,000 आउटस्टैंडिंग है सारे मिला के. फिर इस साल पे क्या क्या मिला ये यहां दिया है. सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव ड्यूरिंग द ईयर 2019 के लिए 2500, 2020 के लिए 25,700 एंड 2021 के लिए 1300 दिया है। ठीक है, हमको 2019 के लिए कितना मिलना था? 3000 मिलना था। यहाँ ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग यहाँ दिया है, ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग 3000 दिया है। और भी स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग कितना है? स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग 500 है। 3000 था, मिल गया 2500 इस साल पे। सो स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग फॉर द ईयर 2019 इज 500 ऑन 31 दिसंबर 2020 पे। इस साल पे और इस साल एंड पे आउटस्टैंडिंग पिछले साल के लिए 500 है। टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग 5000 था, पिछले साल के लिए 500 है एंड बाकी है 2020 के लिए। समझ में आ गया? मैं और एक बार आपको बता दिया हूं। ठीक है, राइट। सो दिस इज व्हाट ऑल अबाउट। ठीक है, राइट। लेट अस गो फॉर। जब भी आपका कोई डाउट है, आप ऑडियो को अनम्यूट करके आप बोलना है, बोलने से ही मैं करूंगा, नहीं तो नहीं करूंगा। ठीक है, ओके फ्रेंड्स, लेट अस गो फॉर दिस प्रॉब्लम। ये प्रॉब्लम आप करेंगे, फिर बाद में मैं आपको सही है या गलत है मैं बताऊंगा। आप करना है ये प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, सब्सक्रिप्शन received during the year 2020 for 2019 rupees 2100 for 2020 rupees। कर लो, इसको करना फटाफट गई करिए और बताइए कितना, हाउ मच इज टू बी ट्रांसफर टू इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर को। जल्दी, आई एम गिविंग यू 4 मिनट्स, इससे ज्यादा इसका टाइम नहीं लेता है। सब्सक्रिप्शन टू बी ट्रांसफर टू इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट कितना है बताइए जल्दी। हो गया? डन। अभी 4 मिनट खत्म होने वाला है, जल्दी करना। Any one of you can tell me the answer. How much is to be transferred to? 37,400. Isha, good. 37,400. Kirti. Then Kavish, बढ़िया है। ओके, राइट। हम अभी बनाएंगे तो लोगों को अभी भी समझ में नहीं आया, उनके लिए मैं बना रहा हूं इसको। ठीक है, राइट। आप चेक कर लीजिए ये सही है या नहीं है करके, करेक्ट कर लो। पर्टिकुलर्स, so to opening आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन ब्रॉट डाउन कितना है? ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन 3000 by closing outstanding subscription carried down for 2019 or 2020. तो 2019 के लिए तो 900 है, टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग दिया है 7000, सो बाकी 6100 इज फॉर करंट ईयर के लिए। ठीक है, बाय बैंक, बाय ओपनिंग ऑन सब्सक्रिप्शन ब्रॉट डाउन, क्लोजिंग advance subscription carried down. Opening advance is 1500, 1500 and closing they have given 2021 के लिए 300 मिला है आपको, and by bank total amount how much we have received? We have received 32,200. बस इसको क्लोज कर लीजिए, you will be getting how much is your subscription to be transferred to income and expenditure account. 1500 plus 32,200 plus 7000, ये टोटल आ गया 40,700 minus 3,300 is very nice. Everybody has got 37,500. Good, good, good. To income and expenditure account. Okay, this is the balancing figure. ठीक है, right, very good, nice. आप लोगों को समझ में आया? Most of you have written 37,400. Nice, आपको समझ में आ गया, right. अभी इस प्रॉब्लम पे आ जाइए, जो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम यहाँ है, ये एग्जाम्पल है, ये वाला, अभी देख लीजिए. Now you read page number 1, PDF page number 1, question number 1. Subscription in arrears 31st March 2002. Outstanding subscription, opening outstanding subscription, we have taken, ये वाला है 500 we have taken. ठीक है, ये 500 is, ये 500 क्या है? ये 500 आपका ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन है. देन उसमें क्या बताया है? Subscription received in advance at the beginning of the period 1100, that also we have taken here. This is advance subscription. Opening advance subscription is a liability. Liabilities का opening balance credit side पे आएगा, opposite side पे आएगा. Total subscription received during the year 35,400 we have taken by bank. Total subscription received during the year. Then they have given here subscription outstanding for का मतलब सिर्फ उस साल का है, only for that year, not the total outstanding. For का मतलब only for that year outstanding is 500. So क्या होगा? That we have to see पिछले साल का कोई outstanding है या नहीं है करके. जो सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव करके दिया है, whatever is given as subscription received, 35,400 is for previous year, 400 you have received. For the current year, balance there again. For the previous year, 400. For the next year, 1,200. Next to next year, 300. तो ये दिया है. तो हम जो एडवांस दिया है वो तो यहाँ ले लिया है. क्या है ये? 1200 for 2003, 2004. This is 2003, 2004 is 2003, 2004 we have received 1,200. and 2004, 2005. We have received 300. This total advance subscription received is 1500 during the year. वो closing आ गया. And in the closing outstanding subscription, पिछले साल के लिए हमको outstanding था 500. We have received 400. Still outstanding is 100. So that 100 and add for current year how much outstanding. The total outstanding is 500. So that way we have got this. Let us go for the second one. PDF page number. I hope everybody got the first problem. Go for the second problem. Page 1, question number 2. Question number 2. So here again, prepare the subscription account. Okay. Subscription account, particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees, right? So opening outstanding subscription brought down. All the asset accounts opening balance will be there in the debit side. So how much is there outstanding subscription at the beginning of the year? 1500 by closing outstanding subscription carried down. So that is 1200. Okay, advance subscription by opening advance subscription brought down 900 and to closing advance subscription carried down 540. A sum of rupees 14,670 was received as subscription during the year 31st March 2006. So by bank, total amount received during the year, that will be coming here. How much we have received? 14,670. 14,670. अभी close कर लीजिए. What you will be getting? You will be getting how much is the current year subscription to be transferred to income and expenditure account. So to income and expenditure account, how much is this? 900 plus 14,670 plus 1200 is 16,770. 16,770 minus 1500 minus 540. So you get 14,730. Yes, 14,730. This amount you have got. 14,730. This is, yes, very good, very good, very good. Archana, Isha, Nitish, nice. You got the second problem. Now this is the way we will be making the subscription account. Okay. Now another area is we'll be getting okay. Expenses and may say stationery, medicine, consumables and expenses. तो उसके लिए अकाउंट कैसे बनाएंगे? दिस इज वेरी गुड. बाय यहाँ तो आउटस्टैंडिंग होगा तो दैट इज अ लाइबिलिटी. इन दिस केस if any outstanding is there, outstanding expenses are liability. So by opening outstanding brought down to closing outstanding carried down, क्योंकि expenses outstanding is liability, तो opening balance आ जाएगा opposite side credit side, closing balance same side debit side पे आ जाएगा. Right. Stock of opening stock brought down. You may have opening stock of stationery, opening stock of medicine, anything opening stock of stamps. तो ये सारे होता है. So opening stock brought down, it's an asset, become here by closing stock carried down. ये आ गया. Expenses P&L अकाउंट पे हम डेबिट करेंगे. यहाँ P&L अकाउंट we cannot write because it is non-profit making organization. So P&L account will be called as income and expenditure account. तो हम इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट पे एक्सपेंसेस को डेबिट करना है या क्रेडिट करना है? बताइए. एक्सपेंसेस विल बी डेबिटेड टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट और क्रेडिटेड टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. टू बी डेबिटेड. Right, we have to debit. So entry will be income and expenditure account debit to expense. So इसमें आ जाएगा by income and expenditure account. This is consumption, total consumption during the year will be coming here. Total consumption during the year will be coming here. तो फिर बाद में हम expenses pay कर रहे हैं तो क्या entry है? Expenses if you have to pay, the entry will be expenses account debit to cash or bank. And if you are purchasing medicine account debit to cash or medicine account debit to bank. तो यहाँ वो दो बैंक अकाउंट है, there is nothing but reception payment account. The reception payment account is the consolidated cash book. इसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्ट इसमें ये समझ लेंगे, then we'll go for that. So to bank जो परचेज किया है इस साल पे, that would be coming here. Okay, so these are all the things we supposed to know before going for calculation of this one. And I'll go with this example. तो ये है एक्सपेंसेस अकाउंट. अगर कोई क्रेडिटर्स दिया है, then we will be making differently. We'll not take this outstandings यहाँ नहीं लेंगे. Without taking outstanding, we will be opening. अगर creditors करके नहीं दिए, simply outstanding करके दिया, then we will be doing this way. If they give creditors for expenses separately, creditors for expenses, they might give creditor for so in that case what we'll be doing, opening balance here will be by opening balance brought down to closing balance carried down. यहाँ आ जाएगा to bank. Whatever we have paid during the year यहाँ आ जाएगा. And here by credit purchase ये बैलेंसिंग इधर आ जाएगा. Then here we'll be taking, instead of taking the bank we already taken here. Okay, ये क्या आएगा, यहाँ आ जाएगा to purchase. Total purchase will be cash purchase, जो भी आएगा यहाँ, प्लस credit purchase. This will become total purchase. Okay, so this will be there. And in case if you pay anything advance to creditors, that is asset for you. So opening advance brought down by closing advance carried down. So if you are paying anything to your creditors advance, वो तो आपके लिए asset है, prepaid है. Asset opening balance will be coming in the debit side, closing balance will come in the same side. So opening balance comes to opposite side, opposite of asset is debit side पे आ जाता है. So asset का opening balance will be there in the debit side and closing balance will be there in the credit side. अभी देख लीजिए. Let us go for example, फिर बाद में हम book problem को करेंगे. Sorry, PDF problem करेंगे. Right. Example 1/1/2020, 31st December 20. Stock of medicine 3,000 and 35,000. Purchased medicine during the year rupees 72,700. Prepare medicine account and also find out amount to be debited to income and expenditure account. ठीक है, तो वेरी सिंपल है. हम तो मेडिसिन अकाउंट बनाएंगे. तो मेडिसिन अकाउंट रुपीस to opening stock brought down. Stock is asset. Opening stock brought down कितना है? 3,000 by closing stock carried down 35. How much we have paid? We have paid 72,700 purchase. So to bank. टोटल कितना हो गया? 75,700. 75,700. तो ये हो गया by income and expenditure account 40,700. Any doubt in this? Are you getting this? Are you getting this? Are you getting this? आप तो दे दो सर. Okay, right. So this is a plain problem without any creditors for medicine. In case if the creditors are there, then how we have to do? Medicine openings. So 1/1/2020, 31st December 2020. Stock of medicine. Stock of medicine 55,000, 60,000. Creditors for medicine 75,000 and 1,20,000. The bonds paid to creditors for medicine 3,000, 7,000. Cash paid to creditors in the year 2020 rupees 3,12,000. Cash purchase of medicine rupees 22,000. And consumption of medicine to be debited to income and expenditure account. ठीक है. So इसमें कैसे करेंगे? Let's see here. So here creditors for medicine is there, so open that account first. Creditors for medicine. Show above. I already told you, if you are asking something, please unmute yourself and speak. Unmute करके बोलना. ठीक है? Archana, what do you want? Archana, I don't know.
Above working, sir.
Which above working? This one.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Okay, right. Please जल्दी कॉपी कर लो सब. Everyone, अगर कॉपी नहीं किया है तो. If you have not copied, please copy it. Done? Okay, right. I'll go for the problem now. Okay, right. So see here, by opening balance of creditors brought down 35,000, sorry, 75,000. Opening creditors are 75,000. Balance carried down. Closing creditors 1,20,000. So opening advance brought down by closing advance carried down. Advance paid to creditors क्या है? Asset. Therefore, you'll have the opening balance in the debit side and closing balance in the credit side. ठीक है. बाद में ये कितना है? 3,000 and 7,000. Got it? Right. Cash paid to creditors during the year 3,12,000, 3,12,000. So creditors account debit to bank. 3,12,000 by credit purchase. This you will be getting as balancing figure by credit purchase. So 123 plus 4,35,000. 4,35,000. 435 minus 82,000. So there is 3,53,000 is the credit purchase. Right. Total purchase. How we have to calculate? Cash purchase. Cash purchase problem पे दिया cash purchase is 22,000 rupees. 22,000. Credit purchase rupees 3,53,000, and this becomes the total purchase 3,75,000. Okay, and the stationery, sorry, medicine account we have to prepare. Medicine account. How much is the opening stock? To opening stock brought down. Opening stock is 35,000 by closing stock, closing balance, carried down. Stock 60,000. Total purchase, medicine to purchase. Total purchase is how much? Total purchase is 3,75,000. So by income and expenditure account. So ten thousand minus 3,60,000. 60,000. 3,50,000 is the so amount to be transferred to amount to be debited to income and expenditure account is rupees 3,50,000. How different amount you are getting? Let me check it. नहीं तो कुछ गलती नहीं किया. 35 and 60, that is right. And opening balance 75,000. Creditor 75,000, 120,000. and 3,000, 7,000. ठीक है. Credit purchases 22,000. That is also all right. And 3,12,000 is cash paid to creditors. Yes. So okay. So the total amount is purchases 375,000. Purchase 375,000. Amount to be transferred to income and expenditure account is 3,50,000. Getting it? Anybody not getting this? अगर किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो please kindly tell me. If anyone is not getting, please kindly tell me. Okay, clear. Right. Now we will go for problem number 3 in our PDF. Okay. Okay. So here PDF page 1, question number 3. We will be making this stationery account. Stationery, creditors for stationery is also given. So creditors for stationery. Okay, creditors for stationery, and this is stationery account. Opening stock brought down. How much is that? 12,000 by opening creditors brought down 25,600. Amount paid for stationery during the year 1,40,000. So to bank 140,000, right? And stationery at the end of the year is 23,200 by closing balance carried down 23,200. Creditors for stationery at the end of the year 24,000. 24,000. इसको close कर लीजिए, then you will be getting how much is the credit purchase. So total is 164,000, 164,000. तो balance की फिर आ जाएगा purchase by purchase, credit purchase. ठीक है. How much is this? 164,000 minus 25,600 is 1,38,000. 38,400. तो ये यहाँ जाएगा टू परचेसेस 1,38,400. पिछले प्रॉब्लम पे जो एग्जांपल था उसमें कैश परचेस भी था. सो हम टोटल परचेस फाइंड आउट किया. यहाँ सिर्फ क्रेडिट परचेस करके भी अस्यूम. ओके, राइट. सो 400, 150, 400, 1,50,400 minus 22,200 is 1,27,200. income and expenditure account 1,27,000 ये balancing figure. Okay, so this is problem number 3. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you getting this? Anyone? Okay, no doubt. So I'm going for the next problem. The next problem. The fourth one. आप क्यों नहीं करना? आप कर लो. Fourth आप कर लो. Do the fourth. Do the fourth. PDF पेज 2 में है. Problem number 4. कर लो, जल्दी कर लो. I'm giving you 5 minutes. 5 मिनट पे इसको करना. जल्दी. अच्छा, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 के लिए परिधि, ये प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 का आंसर है. ओके जी, ओके, जल्दी करना. अदर्स प्लीज जल्दी कर लो. अब 22,300 शायद गलत आंसर है. परिधि 22,300 शायद गलत आंसर है. एनीबडी एल्स? और कोई? स्टेटमेंट बना के भी कर सकता है, बट स्टेटमेंट बनाने से क्या है, 12,500 गलत है. माइट बी 11,500. कीर्ति इज राइट. कीर्ति सही है. राइट, लेट मी डू दिस. PDF page 2 and question number 4. Okay. So here creditors भी दिया है, so creditors account open करना है. Creditors stationery. Stationery account. So first क्या है, by opening balance brought down. Creditors for stationery 2,000 and to balance brought down 3,000. Next दिया है advance paid for stationery. So to opening advance 200 amount paid for stationery during the year to bank 10,800. Stock of stationery closing by balance carried down 500. Creditors for stationery to balance carried down 1,300. And advance paid for by closing advance carried down 1,300. ये टोटल हो गया 11,000, 12,300, 12,300 minus 3,300 is 9,000. Credit purchase 9,000. So buy purchase to purchase so 11,500. Okay, right. Now we are going for the full problem. These are all things we supposed to know. Now I would like to discuss about special funds. So special funds and specific funds are capital in nature. जो भी capital in nature वो जाएगा इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट में. जो भी रेवेन्यू इन नेचर जाएगा इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट. कैपिटल इन नेचर जो भी है दैट वुड बी गोइंग टू बैलेंस शीट. तो वो बैलेंस शीट पे दिखाना है, नॉट इन द इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट. ठीक है. तो ये कैसे हम करना है क्या है दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी हियर. तो इसमें ऐसे आएगा बैलेंस शीट. Okay. Specific funds. ओके. इसमें आएगा ओपनिंग बैलेंस यहाँ ले लेंगे एंड
सर बैलेंस शीट में तो लायबिलिटी एसेट होगा ना.
हाँ जी, थैंक यू. Liabilities, assets. So specific, it is a receipt. All the receipts, capital nature, should be shown in the liability side. तो कोई भी हमारे लिए सब्सक्रिप्शंस और डोनेशंस मिला है, सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं होगा, डोनेशंस होगा. Donations will be taking donations for specific funds. ठीक है. And plus income on related expenses, related assets. income on specific funds related investments, ये आ जाएगा टोटल माइनस एक्सपेंसेस specific fund का जो भी expenses है that we will be subtracting. You will be getting the closing balance. The closing balance will be shown here in the liability side of the balance sheet. तो यहाँ आ जाएगा closing balance of specific fund will be shown here. Okay. फिर क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ specific fund investments. अगर कोई accrued in वो आ जाएगा यहाँ. So this is the way. फटाफट नोट कर लीजिए प्लीज, जल्दी नोट कर लीजिए. तब तक मैं प्रॉब्लम लिख लेता हूँ. ये हो जाएगा आपका in this case हम कैसे करना है, let us see here. So we will be making extract of balance sheet. The year हम बनाएंगे. रुपीज। यहाँ जाएगा बिल्डिंग फंड। यहाँ जाएगा बिल्डिंग फंड 10% बिल्डिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट। थ्री लैक्स। Add donations for डोनेशन कितना दिया है 13 lakhs दिया गया। इंटरेस्ट received on building fund 28,000 क्या है total interest due on building fund investment is 3 lakhs का ऊपर 10% हमको मिलना है। टोटल ड्यू इतना है received 28,000 so accrued interest is 2,000 so यहाँ आएगा add interest accrued 2,000 ठीक है। और क्या दिया है ओनली एक्सपेंसेस दिया है। यहाँ accrued interest भी यहाँ आ जाएगा accrued interest on building fund investment ये 2,000 तो ये टोटल होगी 16,30,000 minus advertisement expenses for building fund. How much is that? 20,000. So the closing 16 lakh 10,000. Extract, therefore we will not close it. So this is the way we will be preparing this. Just to see here, building fund opening balance 3 lakhs था और donations मिला था 13 lakhs. Investment for opening balance building fund investment was 3 lakhs. Interest received was 28,000. 20,000 कैसे हम इसको ट्रीट करना, दिस इज व्हाट इट इज आस्क्ड। तो हम क्या करेंगे, ओपनिंग बैलेंस लेंगे, जो भी डोनेशंस ये स्पेसिफिक फंड के लिए मिला है दैट इज टू बी एडेड। तो यहाँ हमको 13 लाख मिला है, सो 13 लाख ऐड किए हैं। फिर बाद में जो इंटरेस्ट रिसीव करके दिया है, इंटरेस्ट रिसीव को लिया है, लेकिन इंटरेस्ट मिलना था 30, इंटरेस्ट मिलना था 30,000, but we have received only 28,000. So 2,000 is accrued. Therefore, we have taken that 2,000 as the asset. Also, we have taken. यहाँ लिया है 2,000 as the asset we have taken, and 2,000 यहाँ भी लिया है. So total is 16,30,000 आ गया है. उसमें से 20,000 we have spent. Therefore, the balance amount is 16,10,000 is the closing balance. So this is to be shown only in the balance sheet. It will not go to income and expenditure account. Okay, because it is a capital in nature. Therefore, capital receipts are to be shown only in the balance sheet. Therefore, it goes balance sheet. ठीक है, getting it? समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ जी, समझ में आ रहा है नहीं? एक बार और, ये कौन पूछ रहा है एक बार और, क्योंकि आप आपका नाम डॉलर्स वो यू करके सब दिया है, तो कौन है, आपका नाम बताइए। फ्रॉम आकाश, ओके, आयुष, ओके आयुष, राइट। बिल्डिंग फंड रेवेन्यू इनकम नहीं, बिल्डिंग फंड एक कैपिटल रेसिप्ट है, तो हम उसको इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट पे नहीं दिखाएंगे, बैलेंस शीट पे दिखाना है। जितना उसका इनकम आता है उसके साथ ऐड कर लेंगे, उससे कोई स्पेंड किया है तो उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। हमारा ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ द बिल्डिंग फंड 3 लाख दिया है, ओपनिंग बैलेंस लिया है, फिर उसके लिए डोनेशन मिला है वो भी ऐड कर लिया, उस जो इन्वेस्टमेंट किया उससे इंटरेस्ट मिला है वो भी ऐड कर लिया, क्योंकि ये तो बिल्डिंग फंड के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है, तो इसमें से जो भी इनकम आता है दैट इज टू बी इंक्लूडेड हियर, तो इंक्लूड कर लिया। टोटल आ गया है आपको 16,30,000, ठीक है। फिर इसी से हमारा एक्सपेंसेस हुआ है 20,000, तो उसको माइनस किया, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस आ गया। ओके आयुष, आयुष भाई समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, राइट, लेट्स सी, आई विल गिव यू 3 मिनट्स, ये 3 मिनट के अंदर ये प्रॉब्लम आप खत्म करना है, ठीक है। ओके, जल्दी करना, आई एम गिविंग यू 3 मिनट्स, नाउ इट इज 140 143, क्या पहले आप कंप्लीट करना जल्दी। इतना टाइम भी नहीं लेना चाहिए. Whatever the opening balance, you have to add all the receipts, capital receipts minus capital expenditure, specific expenditure, उसे minus करने से आपको closing balance आ जाएगा. Closing balance is to be shown in the balance sheet. Done. 14,02,500 closing balance. Okay, Kirti. So 25 lakh 22,500 minus 11 lakh 20,000. The answer is yes, 14 lakh 2,500. That answer is perfectly correct. Anybody else? Okay. Or anybody else? Okay, right. जो लोग नहीं किया अभी तक उनका बेनिफिट के लिए मैं कर रहा है. ठीक है, राइट. So, balance sheet. ओके, ये आ जाएगा. Ornament and opening balance 15 lakhs. And donation received plus donations 7 lakhs. Ornament receipts 3 lakh 22,500. Total 25 lakh 22,500 minus ornament fund expenses 11 lakh 20,000. Tournament expenses you can write, tournament fund expenses you can write, nothing is wrong. तो इसमें से माइनस करने से आपको आ जाएगा 14 lakh 2,500. Okay. Tournament fund opening balance rupees 25 lakhs. Gate collection of tournament. Ground expenses 3 lakh. Trading rent 14 lakhs. Price distribution ground expense 13 lakhs. Price distribution 15 lakhs. Other expenses for tournament rupees 2 lakhs. How would you treat? Yes, कर लीजिए जल्दी. Let's see. मैं इस प्रॉब्लम के लिए आपको कितना टाइम दूंगा? 2 मिनट, बिकॉज आपको तो अभी समझ में आ गया है. 2 मिनट में होना चाहिए. कीर्ति हमेशा फर्स्ट सबसे पहले फाइंड आउट करती है. हाउ मच इज द कीर्ति? अच्छा, उमेश has come first now. 4 lakhs. Okay, good. 4 lakhs. 66 lakhs. 6 lakh assets. अच्छा, good. Six lakh. Yogi Dipanshu. Okay, time up. मैं कर रहा हूँ. ये थोड़ा हटके डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ा सा. ठीक है. क्या कीर्ति हैज नॉट कम विद आंसर? Liability said 6 lakhs. Okay. 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 Expenses side. Expenses side me 4 lakhs. अंसारी जी क्या है इसका मतलब? Expenses side Umesh 6 lakhs. Okay. Right. This is the way. Right. ठीक है. Right. कैसे करना है देख लीजिए. The balance sheet X. And okay. My mistake. What is your mistake, Kirti? 4 lakhs only. ठीक है. Tournament fund opening balance is 25 lakhs. And gate collection 15 lakhs. टोटल हो गया 40 lakhs. So here expenses are what? Expenses ground rent, ground rent 13 lakhs. Ground expenses 13 lakhs. And shading rent 14 lakhs. Price distribution 15 lakhs. Other 27, 21, 32, 42, 44 lakhs. This is it. So हमारे लिए आ गया यहाँ deficiency 4 lakhs. So यहाँ से हम income and expenditure adjusted. ये तो -4 lakh deficiency 4 deficiency adjusted from income and expenditure 4 lakh से करना है को आ जाएगा नहीं. So efficiency from our income and expenditure account. Okay. So this is the ये है इसमें होगा so यहाँ नील आ जाएगा. Income and expenditure account. Extract. Just we will be putting in the tournament fund. Are you getting this? समझ में आ रहा है? जब भी कोई फंड डेफिशिएंसी है, कैपिटल फंड स्पेसिफिक फंड का डेफिशिएंसी है, that is to be adjusted from the income and expenditure account. अगर कोई सरप्लस है that will be kept in that account, वो तो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस हो जाएगा, उसको बैलेंस शीट पे दिखाना है. लेकिन शॉर्टेज है, डेफिशिएंसी है, वो तो हम इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर से एडजस्ट करना है. ठीक है. दिस इज जस्ट लाइक हमारा प्रोविजन फॉर बैड एंड डाउटफुल डेट्स का जो होता है, आप 12th में बहुत बार किया होगा. प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स कुछ होगा, लेकिन जब रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट में ज्यादा उसका वैल्यू ज्यादा कम हो जाता है तो हम रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट में क्या करता है, प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स को डेबिट करता है. तो सिमिलर थिंग्स, जब आपका बैड डेट्स प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल से ज्यादा हो गया, देन दैट विल बी एडजस्टेड फ्रॉम द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. तो सिमिलर मैनर हम यहाँ भी अगर कोई डेफिशिएंसी हो गया है तो उसको हम कहाँ से एडजस्ट करेंगे, इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट से डेबिट करके उस अमाउंट को हम एडजस्ट करेंगे. जितना भी डेफिशिएंसी आ रहा है, जितना भी शॉर्टेज आ रहा है, दैट इज टू बी एडजस्टेड, नॉट टू बी शोन इन द एसेट साइड. Who has told, Kirti has said and somebody else also has said, जो 4 लाख है उसको तो एसेट पे दिखाना है. एसेट साइड पे अगर दिखाना है तो अगर वो इसका ट्रीटमेंट ऐसे होता है, इसको डेफर्ड एक्सपेंसेस जैसे, डेफर्ड एक्सपेंडिचर, मिसलेनियस एक्सपेंडिचर जैसे हम इसको ट्रीट नहीं कर सकता है. तो इसको जितना भी डेफिशिएंसी है, दैट इज इमीडिएटली टू बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड टू इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट. ठीक है जी, गॉट इट? हाँ जी, समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है? प्लीज अपलोड दिस वीडियो ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल. हिमांशु जी, आई एम नॉट अपलोडिंग इट, तो इंस्टीट्यूट अपलोड करता है, पक्का अपलोड करेगा. ठीक है, डोंट वरी. क्यों, कोई 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 अपलोड नहीं हुआ क्या, कोई वीडियोस? हाँ जी हिमांशु, कोई वीडियोस अपलोड नहीं हुआ है क्या? अरे भाई बताओ. डोंट नो. फिर कैसे बोल रहे हैं अपलोड करने के लिए? हमेशा तो अपलोड हो जाता है. आई डोंट थिंक एनी पेंडिंग इज दैट. तो पक्का अपलोड करेगा. ठीक है, राइट फ्रेंड्स. So what we have done here today, we have started with the income and expenditure account. So we have studied about different items, special items of income and expenditure, like subscription account, expenses account, consumable accounts. So ये सारे how we have to do that we have seen. Apart from that, we have also learned कैसे specific funds को treat करना है. If the specific funds are there, those funds are capital in nature, and anything in capital in nature should be shown in the balance sheet. So if any balance left out in the account, the surplus of that account or any balance left out in that account should be shown in the liability side as a closing balance. But in case if any deficiency is there, that deficiency should be adjusted from income and expenditure account. The deficiency, that shortage, is to be recognized immediately in the income and expenditure account. So this is what we have seen today. And anything you have the doubt, you can mail to me, you can send a message to me, or you can call me and ask. So I shall answer you all your doubts and whatever you have not understood. Or before starting the class, तो आप पहले आ जाइए. I come about 5-10 minutes earlier, so आप क्लियर कर सकते हैं आपका डाउट्स को. ओके ओके फ्रेंड. That is if I'm not wrong, if fourth Friday, if I'm not wrong. So we'll meet on Friday. Online, sir, do you anything about online conduct? All these things we will discuss in the Isha, because the notification is yet to come. Only they said that we are going to conduct the online exam, but how we are going to conduct and what are the formalities, all these things will be notified to you within a week time, I think so. So wait कर लीजिए एक हफ्ते, अगले हफ्ते तक आना चाहिए आपको क्या है कैसे है करके, Okay, so yes, I'll also update in case if I come to know. Namaste. See you on Friday again. Namaste. Good day.